DJI has once again set the skies buzzing with the release of the Avata 3, and FPV fans are asking one big question. How much better is it than the Avata 2? The Avata 2 already raised the bar for cinematic FPV flying with smoother control, stronger signal, and incredible image quality. But the Avata 3 promises to take things even further with improved performance, extended battery life, and a more immersive flight experience. In this video, we're diving deep into both drones, from flight performance to camera quality, stabilization, and real-world usability, to find out what's truly changed and whether the Avata 3 is worth the upgrade. Whether you're an FPV enthusiast or a filmmaker searching for your next aerial companion, this comparison will help you decide which one deserves a spot in your gear bag. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's take off into the world of next-gen FPV flight. The DJI Avata 2 set a strong foundation for FPV drones, combining agility, cinematic image quality, and ease of use. Weighing around 377 grams and measuring roughly 185 by 212 by 64 millimeters, it's compact and well-balanced for both indoor and outdoor flying. The integrated propeller guards make it safe for close-quarters flights, while its aerodynamic design helps maintain stability during high-speed maneuvers. Powered by DJI's O4 transmission system, it offers ultra-low latency and up to 13 kilometers of range, keeping video feeds crisp and reliable. With a flight time of around 23 minutes, it strikes a solid balance between performance and portability. Now, the Avata 3 is rumored to elevate that experience significantly. DJI has reportedly refined the carbon fiber frame for improved strength and heat management while keeping the weight light for better agility. Leaks suggest the new drone can reach speeds up to 140 kilometers per hour, deliver smoother flight stability, and extend flight duration to nearly 25 minutes. Additional safety sensors and refined obstacle detection are expected to provide pilots with greater control and peace of mind, especially during high-speed or complex flights. When it comes to visuals, the Avata 2 already impresses with its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of 12-megapixel stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It supports HDR, 10-bit D-Log M color, and a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view, giving creators that immersive FPV look. Combined with Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady stabilization, footage from the Avata 2 looks remarkably cinematic, even during aggressive flight moves. The Avata 3, however, is expected to raise the bar even higher with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, offering 4K at 120 frames per second and potentially 8K recording capabilities. This upgrade could drastically enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and image detail. New stabilization algorithms like Rocksteady 3.5 and enhanced horizon leveling will make every flight smoother and more cinematic. Additionally, DJI may include omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing greater safety and flexibility for professional pilots capturing intricate aerial shots. Both drones are designed for an immersive FPV experience, paired with DJI's Goggles 3 and RC motion controllers. The Avata 2 remains a stellar choice for those who value simplicity, control, and top-tier image quality, while the Avata 3 is shaping up to be the future of FPV cinematography, faster, smarter, and more capable than ever before. With a rumored price range between $1,200 and $1,500 and an expected release window of late 2025 or early 2026, DJI seems ready to redefine what's possible in the FPV world once again. And that wraps up our in-depth comparison between the DJI Avata 3 and the Avata 2. The Avata 2 remains a reliable, cinematic, and fun FPV drone that's perfect for both newcomers and professionals alike. But if the Avata 3 delivers on its promises, with that larger sensor, longer battery life, faster speeds, and smarter safety features, it could easily become DJI's next FPV masterpiece. The real question now is whether the upgrade is worth the price jump for you. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Would you stick with the Avata 2, or are you waiting for the Avata 3's official release? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Technify, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next tech breakdown. Until next time, stay creative, stay airborne, and keep capturing those cinematic skies.